Choosing the right AI design partner can make or break your workflow, so let's see if Relume or Uizard fits your needs best. First up is Relume, primarily known for its powerful AI sitemap and wireframe generation capabilities, perfect for structuring your project from the get-go. You start by describing your project or website idea in a simple text prompt to Relume's AI. Instantly, Relume generates a comprehensive sitemap outlining the core pages and user flow for your project. From that sitemap, with another click, it builds out detailed low-fidelity wireframes for each page, giving you a solid structural foundation. Relume shines for those needing rapid site architecture and integrates smoothly with tools like Figma, making it ideal for UX designers focusing on information architecture. Now let's switch gears to Uizard, which excels at transforming your ideas, even rough sketches or text prompts, directly into high-fidelity mockups. You can kick things off by uploading a simple hand-drawn sketch of your interface idea. Uizard's AI analyzes the sketch and magically converts it into editable digital UI components and screens. Alternatively, you can just describe the screen you want using text, and Uizard will generate a visual design based on your description. Uizard offers extensive customization, pre-built templates, and even lets you generate designs from screenshots, making it great for rapid visual prototyping and iteration. So, the key difference lies here. Relume focuses heavily on the structural planning phase with sitemaps and wireframes, while Uizard is geared towards quickly generating visually complete mockups and prototypes from various inputs. If you need robust site structure and early-stage wireframing power, Relume is likely your better bet. But if you need to quickly visualize ideas, create high-fidelity mockups from sketches or prompts, or rapidly prototype, Uizard will serve you well.